Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we're outdoors, we've got a football, what we're doing, a FIFA video. So what I'm going to do today is another football video. I haven't done one in just over a month. So what it is a woodwork challenge. You have to hit the left post, crossbar and the right post in that order. First one to complete it basically wins.
I'm gonna win!
AFC Sharky, country, Czechoslovakia, watch.
Zeno, you already know.
Cheers.
I'm stressed, man. Yeah, Abdullah, looking at the winner.
Hey! Getting interesting now. Getting interesting now. Into the J.
Don't know my name? Ask your girl.
I don't think my girl will be happy about that.
Hey!
Oh,
Replay! We don't do skimmer.
Yes, we do.
Oh, that replay. Let me see that replay.
Wrong one, mate. Wrong woodwork, pal.
Oh my god.
Barcino. Oh, he got it. He's got it. He got it. Oh my god.
And he's doing all of this in Xenexes.
And Adidas
This
trainers.
is disrespectful, Zeno.
I didn't hit the post twice.
Come on! Oh my god, don't go for that, don't do it. Don't do it.
Shall I do it?
Shall I do it?
Please don't do it. How about I say, if you hit the crossbar, I'm getting everyone's lunch today. I'm paying for everyone's lunch. I'm paying for everyone's food if he hits the crossbar. I didn't say wallahi.
Motherfucker! I have.
Black magic!
Why can we do?
You know what, me bum bum! Oh, you're not scoring nothing. That's black magic.
Down to your head.
Black magic right there.
Chunks, is it in for the win?
Huh?
Is it in for the win?
You know the ones there where I don't talk too much.
Just go.
Oh shit, I don't care shit. Oh shit! You're actually shit. You had about. Hey, Don't talk too much. You lot, y'all know what to add me up. Chunk_EN. If you're a MANDM, just subscribe to me. No, that homo shit. You're done, no. Even though man supports homophobia, you know what I mean? It's cool, be gay in that.
So guys, if you enjoyed that video, let's try and hit 100 likes. Look out for the video on Friday, but until then, I'll see you guys.
No! Let me hit this on the crossbar live on the volley. You watching here? Yeah? No, don't.